What's up guys? Ngayon maglalaro tayo ng MF2. Hindi kasi ako sanay sa may MF2. Sa may second account ko itong gamit ko. Save the hero. Bro, cheater. May cheater agad ah. Yung favorite kong map ang Hotel 2. Cheat. Kasama ko yung ano ko, ngayon ako lang mag-isa. 2024 ata yung pinalabas ko yun, diba? 2023 ata yun. Nag-start ako ng channel ng 2024. Hindi 2023. Baka matagal lang ako hindi nag-post. Ata? Did I just see someone? Oh. Sabihin ko nagkamatay. The real bank. Dang. Murder, I was gonna kill this. I'm gonna kill target someone. Like I can see footsteps. Whoever you feel, you go where I go. Throw. Come here, buddy. Bro, jumper. Mamatay ka. Oh! First time ko lang naman mag-murder. Ay, second time. Okay lang naman. Bagay. Panalawang beses ko pa lang naman ito maglaro ng MM2. Babawi rin ako. Ata. Langla! Inocente. Maybe this is not the safe spot, I guess. Whoa. Whoa, I trapped it. Trapped. Saan to? Nagtitinipid ba to? Siyempre. your mom. Namatay. Wala. Look. Ay, cheater. Cheater. Huling-huli. May cheater pa. Ito yung username niya. Saan siya? Basta i-revive niya yung video. Lang titignan ko. Twin avatar. Ito siya. Ito yung ano, ito. Ito yung Brunano na tayo. Siya. Banyola lang. At parang alam ko yung mode na ginagamit niya. Happy mode. Yung ano. Happy mode gamit niya. Alam ko yun. Kasi yung pinsan ko, meron siyang happy mode. Kaso naban na siya. Naban siya sa laro. Yung happy mode ginamit niya doon. Nangyari? Damn. Murderer. Sheriff kasi yung paborito ko dito eh. Oh, lumipad ulit siya. Lumipad ulit, huling-huli. Pero hindi kulong. Akala malapit siya. That's nandito lahat. Okay, the murderer. This is like you have won. Nation, this is your liberation. I'm the nation is moving. This is civilization. La la la, emancipation. Do that, do that. Siya yung ano, Peter, ayan o, yung babae. Andito siya. Andito siya. Talon na, pagkadating. Not me. Oh, huli-huli siya. Huli-huli, tumatalon o. Ayun o. Taas ang talon o, walang ano yan. Oh, taas tumalon o. Oh, ayun o, ayun ang babae na yun o. Ito yung username niya. Ito. Same pa ng avatar, oh. Oh. Stop it. Nangyari. Yo! Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun? Saan siya? Ito siya. Ayun eh. Ayun o. Nawala. Oh, di ba? Siya yun. Huling-huli pa. Please ban him Roblox or admin. Pag admin. Please ban him Roblox. Please ban him. He's an explorer. Cheater pa. This is her username where he just live. Please ban him. Wait, no. Someone following me. Oh. Come get you and do it tomorrow. Black and white emotional. To and away tomorrow. Murderer. Who's the freaking murderer? May barrel. Kanya may barrel. So, this is the chance. Or someone is there. I think he's him. He's him. Okay. Lalayan ko mga tao. Oh, din. Kala ko mo. Oh, din. I got an egg. I got an egg. I got a bedroom. I got a hotel. Patay siya. I'm not the murderer. I'm not the murderer. I'm not the murderer. I am not the murderer. I think he's the murderer. She's the murderer. Oh, he just shot a wrong person. That's weirdo. Weirdo. He's the murderer, I think. He's the murderer. Or the bacon here. Bacon. Baka yan, ayan. Parang things ko, saan to? Ito siya. Bang! Tagal! Oops. Dami ng points dito. Nag-left na. Oh, sabi na eh. Parang sila yung... Make it better. If you don't how to... If you don't know how to play, then don't. Laman lang, nag-away na naman. Ang liit ang corner. Easy lang corner na ito. Wine. Sis? Wala pang sheriff or ano ah. Sheriff pa. No. So, siguro part 2 pa lang ito. Isang video na to. And the murderer again. Gusto ko yung sheriff. Ayaw nga murderer. Am I stupid on this game? Who's the murderer? I'm an innocent. I'm an innocent. While pag tumayo siya, papatayin ko siya. I hope he did not see that. Mommy! 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 What's the gun? Papaghatan siya yung word. Yo! 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 Adeng. Yo! Oh my God! Pagkakamatay na. You had. No! No! Bro, Taylor! Taylor! Runner! Run! 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 There's a murderer! There was a murderer! There was a murderer! I have that gun, dude. Sino? Mama mo. Mama mo. Oh, that's a GG. He's gonna use it. So stop jumping. Who's the last one? Who's the last one? The sheriff. And I'm done. I'm done with this stuff.